Oh, salsa verde is delicious. I like salsa verde because my sister-in-law, she made me enchiladas verdes. I think we just came to her house and she's like, I'm gonna make some enchiladas verdes. And she made the salsa and she just made it like, it was so easy, so quickly, so delicious. It's that tangy, salty, spicy flavor. So good. And when I lived in Mexico, I was able to appreciate it at another level. So much that when I moved back to the United States, I couldn't have tacos or anything else. I'm like, I need salsa verde. And I didn't know how to make it. So I learned. La Lulis me enseñó. Lulis taught me how to make salsa verde. I thank her every time I see her. Saludos! Welcome back! Thank you for coming to Lifestyle of the Relatable and Unknown. We're going to continue today with salsa verde. For salsa verde, you need tomatillos, chile serranos or chile habaneros, garlic, and white onion. Tomatillos, they will have paper-like leaf. You'll remove the leaf, wash these. I wash them with vinegar. We are going to boil the tomatillos and the chile serrano. Let me show you how. So we're gonna place them in a pot, about medium heat. We don't want the water to boil first. I want them to sit there. I want my green salsa to have a smoky flavor. While I wait 5 to 10 minutes for this to boil, I'm going to roast my garlic, onion, and my habaneros. So the water for the tomatillos doesn't exactly have to come to a complete boil. What we really want it to do is for the bottom part of the tomatillos to just change to a brownish color and it'll get softer. That's all we want. We don't want it completely soft. See how this one looks? See how it changed color? My tomatillos have the color that I want and I'm going to move them near the blender with water and all, and I'm going to tell you why. Next up, we're going to blend. Some of these are small, so it's okay, the blender could handle it. For the bigger ones, I suggest you cut them in half before you put them in the blender. I'm gonna start blending my tomatillos first. It's that tangy smell. Está peleando conmigo. Rico. Now we season. You can season with salt or any special seasoning salt. I like to use Adobo. There's different brands of Adobo, whatever you can find near you. So the salsa is done, pretty much done here. However, salsa verde can be used for chilaquiles, enchiladas, tacos, with eggs, or just for a dip. But to make the salsa even better, para que dure más, we're going to use the same water where we boiled the tomatillo because it has that flavor. We're gonna add some more and we're gonna blend again. And this salsa is gonna be perfect for my chilaquiles that I'm gonna make later for my husband. It's very spicy, but it's gonna be great with enchiladas. It's gonna be great with chilaquiles. So this is our salsa, ready to go. I'm gonna have a little taste. It is ready to go. I love it. It's that tangy taste. Ready to go? Just chips and dip. Ya está la salsa verde. I love it. It's perfect. It's ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this. Please come back. We're gonna do other fun videos. Cooking, dancing, singing. Ya tú sabes, aquí todo lo hacemos. Oh no, chips or dip with the chip. You chip the dip and the dip. You dip the chip in the dip. Tú pones la papita. No, los totopos. That's it. That's what it is. Así es, mira. Do you remember in Mexico when you viendo papitas? Dave knows what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get more chiles for my salsas. And don't forget to subscribe. There's more videos. Like and subscribe.